Today we're going to learn about Artzii's writing suite. When we first come into the writing suite, we are on the general queries page. So this does not need to be about books. It can be literally about anything. One thing really fun about Artziii is our built-in editor. You can literally edit everything. And I really like it, so now I'm going to hit the check mark to save it. And feel free to chat with it. I really love polar bears, so I'm going to ask for a little story about polar bears. And this is auto-saved right here. So if you leave, you can always come back and find this. Next, we should discuss inspirations. Come here if you need any inspiration on anything. This page is dedicated to our authors that are interested in building chapters. Just fill in your details, ask for what you want. It really works wonders when you do one chapter at a time, and then chat with Artziii AI requesting chapter 2 and chapter 3, edit. It's really good that way. Creators is for book creators. Just fill in the details. This is how you name. These are the folders that it will be saved in. You can find the folders right here. This is a brand new account. You can request an outline. This is specifically made for creating children's books. Again, name your book. Pick which folder you would like to save it to. I would suggest stories or books. Input your details. How many pages would you like? Would you like it to be short, medium, or long content? Discuss what kind of book you would like to create and hit generate. And that is our writing suite.